On the 12th of August, just this month, our forces working on information provided by the TFG police and civilians managed to discover a factory that was being used by the Alshabab to make bombs. And these bombs were one of the causes of the suffering of the people on the streets because they were being employed as roadside bombs, as improvised explosive devices, and we lost many people to such bombs. In our view, this is a strategic success for AMISOM and for the TFG because now we can be sure that their technical capacity to make such explosives has been grossly undercut. This factory is located along the industrial road, just about 400 meters from the Mogadishu Stadium. Mogadishu Stadium is one of the major positions that we recovered recently. Well, we found a lot of things. We found a lot of bombs ranging from 82 millimeter grenades, gunpowder that they used to make these explosives. And we think that now that this capacity is normal, they'll find it hard to make such bombs. I think it was the only bomb-making factory in Mogadishu. We are not aware of any other bomb-making factory here, and that's why we think it's such a great achievement. Well, then now it means that they have to change their tactics, because after losing the front lines, they had hoped that they would employ guerrilla tactics, and now that we have this factory, it's going to be difficult for them.
Yeah, they have been using it as a bomb-making factory here for many types of IEDs. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we moved in here, as you can see, we found RPG shells. We found mortar bombs. They are also shells, used to manufacture the IEDs and other big bombs. Mm. It is because they left haphazardly. We didn't give them time, to pack whatever they wanted to pack. So most of the materials they left them here. There was quite some resistance because it took us 2 days to reach here. Yeah, it took us some 2 days to reach this place. So there's quite some resistance, and we really, had a fight with them. Mm-hmm.
These ones, take them out with the right side. leave that one there. Right, guys, over. Come here. This is
unakata hii
Hii powder.
alafu anasina powder.
This is the powder.
Powder chemical yake. Alafu hii ndio ya kuvaa. Hii ya wanatengeneza nayo.
Wacha kwanza fungue hiyo.
Lona.
Hizi ndizo walikuwa wanatumia. Hizo ndio wanafanyisha hizo.
Beba chukua kwa mzungu.